Are you struggling to get your Facebook Messenger notifications working properly? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of fixing Facebook Messenger notifications. I'll show you how to check your settings, troubleshoot common issues, and make sure that everything is running smoothly. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to get back on track with your Messenger notifications. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone, then tap where it says Notifications. Once you are on this screen, scroll down and tap on Messenger. As you can see right now, the Messenger notifications are disabled. So go ahead and turn it on. And you want to make sure all of these things are turned on. Lock screen, notification center, banners, sounds, and badges. Simply turn on everything on this page so that you can receive notifications from Facebook Messenger. After you've enabled those features, tap on Messenger notification settings. It is at the bottom of the screen. And it will open up Facebook Messenger. So now what you want to do next is make sure the Do Not Disturb mode is turned off, and then make sure the rest of the options are turned on. Show previews, new friend notifications, and sounds and vibrations. Make sure all of these things are enabled, and then tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.